Alright, this is a quick update on my Sugarcreek Forge build along knife. I've got the handle basically finished. Like everything you do, you could probably continue to refine things, but for a user knife, I honestly think it's pretty good. It's good enough for me anyway. So here's the handle. Now, one scale has a better wood grain than the other scale, but that's just, how it goes. I've got it pretty close to being symmetrical. There is the blade. I didn't go for a mirror polish, but I've got it looking pretty good. I've sharpened it up. I probably could sharpen it a little more, but I've got an initial decent edge on it. I'm going to continue and probably sharpen it a little more because I can. But anyway, it cuts paper easily. Now there are a few places on here that probably could be refined. I don't know if you can see them or not, but there are some tiny little spots in the metal here that actually came from where I didn't use any sort of guard when I put it in the vise, and so my vise, the little teeth on the vise bit into the wood, meaning in the metal back here, and I didn't really take the time to really buff those little tiny bites out, so they are there. But all in all, I think it's turned out pretty good for my very first knife. I mean, I can say that I'm actually fairly proud of the knife. Now I need to make a sheath, whether that's leather or Kydex, but I have a sharp knife. Now I heat treated it, so I can't really sit there and tell you what the performance of it is yet, but I will try it out, see how well the edge holds. But like I said, I just wanted to kind of give you a quick update of where I was at on my knife. So there it is. That's basically the finished knife minus the sheath. Alright. Thank you.